Now look at the part 5 for electrochemistry. So 8th question. Hydrogen gas electrode is made up of dipping platinum wire in a solution of ACl of pH. Right. Hydrogen gas electrode is made by dipping platinum wire. Platinum wire dipped in ACl of pH is given 10, and by passing hydrogen gas around the platinum wire, pressure of given, that is 1 atm. The oxidation potential of electrode will be. So it is asked in 2013. So oxidation half reaction. So first step is write the oxidation half reaction. H2 is equal to 2H plus 2E minus. So it is 1 atm given at pH is equal to 10. So H plus concentration will be how much? 10 raised to minus 10. So see how we have converted here. So pH formula we know, right? That is pH equal to minus log of 10 of H plus. So I will write here minus pH is equal to log of H plus. Then either here this is base 10. So it will be 10 raised to minus of pH is equal to H plus concentration. So it will be 10 minus pH value we know that is 10. So it is 10 raised to minus 10 of H plus concentration. Understood? So I will use here now Nernst equation, second form. So E equal to E naught of cell minus 0.06 by 2. That is log of H plus square. So here it is H plus square. So coefficient is 2. That's why I have squared it. Pressure of hydrogen. So it is pressure of hydrogen. Now put the value. So it is standard hydrogen. So it will be 0 minus 0.03 after dividing this one. Log of H plus concentration we know this is 10 raised to minus 10 whole square divided by 1. So power will be coming out. So it will be 0.03. 10 into 2 is 20. So here minus 20 log of 10. Log of 10 we know that is 1. So it will be minus minus plus and it will be 60. Remove this point. So this is cancelled. So it will be how much? 6 by 10, that is 0.6. So E naught of this is the E of the cell, that is 0.6 value. So write it. Now look at the 9th one. A button cell used in watches function as the following. So in watches, a cell is used. So reaction is given for that. Zinc plus silver oxide produce, and it also react with water to produce 2Ag plus Zn2 plus 2OH minus. For half cell reaction potentials are given. So it is Zn2 plus 2E minus produce Zn solid. E naught of cell is given, that is minus 0.76 volt. Next step reaction is given Ag2O plus H2O plus 2E minus produce 2Hg plus 2OH minus. So cell of this reaction is given 0.34 volt. So cell potential will be asked in 2000 Neet. So at anode oxidation reaction will be. So at anode. So this will be at anode and this will be at cathode. So E naught of cell is nothing but E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. So remember this formula. So put the value. So this is at cathode. Cathode value we know that is 0.34 volt minus of 0.76. So it will be 0.34 minus plus 0.76. So it will be 1.10 volt. This is equal to E naught of cell. So this is the formula to find the E naught of cell. Remember this one. Now see the next sum, that is 10th one. A standard electrode potential of three metals are given. So X metal, Y metal, Z metal. So standard potential of given, that is for X is minus 1.2 volt, for Y it is 0.5 volt, and for Z it is minus 3.0 volt. So reducing power of this metal will be. So you have to find the reducing power asked in 2011. So whose negative value is more, that will be the reduction potential. So you can see that clearly Z value is greater. So first come Z, then will come X, then Y will be the least, right? So this is the reduction potential. This is your reduction potential. So write this one. Now look at the 11th sum. So electrode potential for the reaction is given Cu2 plus, after gaining one electron producing Cu plus. So Cu plus gain one electron to produce Cu solid, right? So this is happening in the two steps. So this value is given, that is 0.15 volt. Here E2 is given 0.50 volt. So the value you have to find E naught of Cu by Cu. So something is wrong. So see here, how will you calculate for 11th one? So for first case, this is your first case. This is the second case. So delta G naught for first will be equal to minus N1 E1 F. Right. So here it is gaining one electron. And for the case 2, I will write the second formula. For this is for first one, and for second it will be delta G naught of 2 equal to minus of N2 E naught to F. So to find the overall value, add this first and second value. So delta G naught is equal to delta G1 naught plus delta G naught 2. So this value is minus NF E naught equal to, this is minus N1 E1 naught F minus E2 N2 E2 naught F. So minus will be cancelled and F will be get cancelled. So answer is N E naught equal to N1 E1 naught plus N2 E2 naught. Right. So now we know the after adding. So add these two equation 1 and 2. So you will get here this Cu plus and Cu plus will be get cancelled. Cu2 plus. Cu2 plus 2 electron getting Cu. So this is called net cell reaction. Net cell reaction. So here N will be 2 and into E naught is equal to N1 value is 1 for first reaction. 1 into E1 is 0.15 plus N2 is how much? 1 and E2 value 0.5. So this will be E naught equal to 0.15 plus 0.5 divided by 2. So it is equal to how much? 0.65 divided by 2. So it will be 0.325 volt. So this will be the answer, right? So here we have to learn that if two reactions are adding, so add that one and use this standard potential value to calculate the E naught of value, right? So this is very important formula, this and this. How to add two cell potential when they are having different number of electrons and E naught is also different. So this value is also different, right? E1 and E2. So this is the effective formula. You can remember this one directly or you can use this one also. For using this, you have to remember this one, equation 1 value and 2 value. So remember this fourth equation, then you will get the resultant E naught of value.